thanks for being here. Today we are doing a studio vlog. We're starting off with bead shopping at Michael's because beads were 60% off. This is pearl taupe potato. Hi, so right now I am in bed and I am working on a necklace with these heart lockets. And this is what I have so far. Sorry about all the dog hair. Diesel's right here. I've been experimenting a little bit more with different size jump rings, so that's pretty exciting. I think this is gonna come out really pretty. Hi, sorry if the lighting is gaga, but I'm going to pack an order. Is it a studio vlog if you're not packing? I don't know. I've also really been enjoying listening to CDs while I pack. I know I have my laptop here and I could easily just look up music on YouTube, but it's not the same. And right now I'm gonna listen to Foiled by Blue October. A lot of people said that Blue October should have been on the Twilight soundtracks, and I 110% agree. Track 5, Hate Me, definitely is like an Edward Cullen anthem. It's just so like, what do you call it? Like self-loathing. Just self-loathing track, and it gives me Edward Cullen vibes. Pretty cool. I actually thrifted this too. I showed in like my closet tour video. I got packages for my shop. They look like this. I got them on Amazon. They're by Inspired Mailers, and the quality is so good. Super cute. This is what I guess I'm posting today. I can show you guys really quick. I have this like brown necklace with a little ribbon bow. This little bear. I really like this one a lot. Some little stars. The stars and the bears is very on brand for me. And then the heart one, very on trend right now. I know a lot of people are enjoying these big heart pendants. And this is also a locket, but I like it better like this. So yeah. And then this rosary locket I actually made for myself a while back, but I just never reached for it because I don't wear blue, so I think somebody else will love it a lot more. But yeah. Hi, so I forgot to film an outro. Here's your verse of the day. Matthew 7:24 through 27 says, Everyone then who hears these words of mine and does them will be like a wise man who built his house on the rock. And the rain fell, and the floods came, and the winds blew and beat on that house, but it did not fall, because it had been founded on the rock. And everyone who hears these words of mine and does not do them will be like a foolish man who built his house on the sand. And the rain fell, and the floods came, and the winds blew and beat against that house, and it fell, and great was the fall of it. All my videos have been really short lately. I wish I could say the next one was longer, but I've already filmed it and it's also short, so I hope this is okay. See you next week.